What's up? How's it going? Oh boy. Let me focus that in. Alright, that looks good. Well, as good as I can look right now. Alright. Let me try things because... What the fuck did I do? Okay.
Sam says,
I have to do laundry RQ, so no chatting. But I listen.
Alright, alright. That's all good. But, hi Sam. Those were very funny memes that you sent, okay? Very funny memes. I liked it. I liked it. Alright. I'm just going to fuck around with my sound because last stream, my sound ended up being very, very low. So I'll just do some tests while I got you. And, well, I say while I got you, but you have nothing to do with this, but who cares? Saying outlandish shit. Yeah, okay, it's very low. Is it very low until the end? Another one. Okay, it is, and there. Fucking... Alright, it's the autoduck. Alright. Alright, focus right. 2i2. 4th gen. Safe mode. What the fuck does that do? Safe mode. I think that's the issue here. Number 9. Save button. Clip save for your input. See? Save. Clip save button. The save button applies clip save, which automatically adjusts your preamp gain if you are at risk of clipping. Clipping happens when the gain is set to I for the sound being recorded and your input overloads the preamp. Clipping symptoms is preamp distortion, which is often unpleasant and can ruin recording. Clip save helps you avoid that, so this put near clipping. Alright, but it won't set it down afterward. Clip save. Clip save. Let's write it down. Clip save. You know what? Let's share the screen. Even though it's not... doesn't give anything. 4th gen clip save mode. Does it lower volume permanently? Yes, it does.
Oh, my mom is asleep still. GTG then LOL. CY.
Alright, bye-bye. Have a good day, brother. Alright, I think that's my issue. I'll just disable it. Okay. Test. Test 1 2 1 2. Test from afar. Test when I'm exhausted. Test when I'm near. Okay, okay, that looks fucking great. A barrow. Sipping. All right. Oh, right. Yeah, the only thing I'll have to fix here will be... Bro, my hair. Okay. The thing that I'll have to fix will be the fact that right now I'm running in mono and I would need stereo. The issue is that it seems that the interface only delivers mono, or maybe my mic only delivers mono and I never knew about it and the interface was just bugged before. That's probably it. The interface was shit. But yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. Alright. Maybe I need to focus for half a second. Now that I have no one in the chat. Or maybe there's people, but who gives a fuck? Who cares? I'll try to focus and... Look, I don't have good faith, but who knows? Alright, so let's start by noting down what I want to do today. Fuck, if I look at that. It's hard, I just... Fuck. I don't understand it, and I don't have words that are created for this. And my wording is shit. Okay. I hate the names that I've given things. Holy. Let me draw and I'll see if a name comes up. So we have a big string. Sorry, we have a big array. And each contain these things. Where we have flag. Well, it's sequel. Sequel. And here it is. I don't even have names for this. Tokens, I guess. Fuck that shit. I guess we should call him type token. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know. Fuck, it fits too well. Like the idea of calling this a type token and calling this whole thing a type cursor. This fits, but I'm just reusing terminology and it's going to become complicated. And the issue is that this will become... like it becomes multiple things afterward. Or like this goes there. This goes there, and this goes there, and this goes there. Should have made them another color. This goes there, and Whoops. This goes there. This goes there. For now I'm calling them type units, but it makes no fucking sense. Because units make it sound like it's like the smallest part of a thing, but it's really not. Okay, I'll need how do we call it? Like other ways to say a thing? Alternative word for
Eric 31415 says
Type segment.
Oh, that's not dumb. That's really not dumb. Oh shit. Segment is a good
Type
word.
data.
You're good, you're good. Oh, you're so good. Oh, thank Lord. Oh my god, Eric. Oh my god, I love you. Alright, let me... I don't know for how long you were in there, but I'm doing a rewrite for part of my code. So I kind of need to name things. Because the way that I work is like, one, I make a shitty prototype. After that, I make documentation that essentially elucidate all the problems that I had with the prototype. And then I made the final version. So now I'm at the end of the documentation stage, so I just need to name things correctly. But yes, type segment, that would be good for that. Oh, that would be great. So that's a type segment. And that could be type data. Like the raw thing. And after that I can find a new name for this. Let's start by rewriting this. You're so smart. Holy. You've just exploded my brain. Type segment is so good. Holy shit. Sorry. Okay. Let's rewrite this as dot root will now be... I said dot root. Don't want to fuck anything up. Will now become type data. I love it. Holy! Crazy how clean this implementation is. Holy. Thank you. Alright. And type segment, I guess I'll edit it in the documentation here. Look, I'll just... Final form of current type. Contains multiple type segment. All right, that makes it very clear to me. Okay. 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 So that's for that. And now after that... And by the way, if the sound is too high, tell me. I fucked around with the settings. I want this to be comfortable for hearing, not dying. So, yeah. Anyway. I had final type units, but, Alright, let me reread my doc, and I'll get somewhere with this. And my brain will unfuck itself. Okay. So what I'm writing, the goal of the CAST parser is to parse C code. We achieve this by creating an intermediary tree structure made of zones and ASTs. This allows us to standardize and simplify our handling of C. TLDR, we don't have to care about libclang when adding things to CS. So CS is the platform that we use to inject things into our DB. Overview. CAST works in two main stages. One, the parsing through libclang, which creates the zone and AST3. Two, the extract, or push of change to CS, the change set. Each class have their documentation in CAST type. That's not true, but who gives a fuck? It will be true. Will be true. Let it be clear, the other parsers shouldn't be built using any concept that are created within this parser. All parsers should be independent and don't have to resemble this implementation. The only things we care about is that it plugs into our CS infrastructure. Zones and ASTs. Example. Here is a code snippet and part of the structure that should be and its resulting structure and its resulting tree structure which should be created. So we have the struct NLM SVC binding, which is kind of the example that we use. And here we have the little tree thing that explains it. So we have the main zone, which is the zoneful file. And then we have the CAST for the binding, which itself contains a zone, which then contains two CAST type, which relates to this and this. And then we have other zone for the arguments themselves. So those. So each C-type is going to be representing what is usually one line of code. This is most likely one type, but in this case, char, pointer text, I don't remember what the fuck that is. What is a comma? Okay, comma. Char, pointer text, comma, const C text. It would capture both type as it is part of the same base type. The inverse would be two C types. So char pointer text, semicolon, const char C text would create two C types, while this would create one because this uses the same char base, while this is two different C commands. Alright. Zone vs C types. Zone. Zone allows us to zone part of the code to be parsed. It is not possible for us to know when something stops or starts without it. It can create multiple sections of code within itself to be parsed in a vacuum. Look zone, zone type, function arg above. So yes, we can see here that each of the inside of this there is multiple arguments, and each arguments are essentially handled in a vacuum just to know what the type is. Once at the extract stage, we can request from a zone to return the relevant position within CS. So this allows us to know the ID of a thing. Where its cs.store, mast view, which is the way we inject data into the DB, is. The zone should have much more than positioning info for all other info. Blah. Should not. Yeah, that's probably important to write. Zone should not have much more than positioning info. For all other info, we use C-types. C-type allows the information of a type to be stored. The main way it achieves this is by using self-root and self... Aha! We now use type data. I think. Fuck, I fucked it up already. Okay, type data. And self-content. Before getting into it, here is a quick TLDR on types in C. In C, const char pointer text and char pointer const text do not represent the same thing. In the first, the pointer is a const, while the second, the text being pointed to, is const. This fact means that we cannot just set a flag for every instance of const or any other code, as the position is core to the understanding of the data. C also allows multiple identifier per types, char pointer text, comma, const C text. In this example, two chars are created, char pointer text and const char C text. Note that pointer doesn't apply to C text and const doesn't apply to text. Now that we have a quick understanding of C types, how do we capture this correctly? We will use three tools for our parsing to be done correctly. First one is self.content, which is essentially the tool that we inject things. I shouldn't explain before. Okay. Self.content, self.swapout, which is a command, and self.typedata. When parsing, each token are stored in self-content. There are special token... Yeah, that's kind of hard to explain. I should have explained before. Fuck. That is badly phrased, but who gives a fuck? I'll have to rewrite. SQLs are stored in... C qualifiers are stored in flags within self-content or self-type data. Here is the list of SQLs, which is const volatile restrict atomic. While we parse, we store each token in self-content. If it is a SQL, it is stored in the flag. Some token will trigger self.swapout, which pop self-content into self-root. If we have an already enabled SQL, self.swapout is triggered. If we have an identifier, self.swapout is triggered. Int char, self.swapout is triggered. I think it is. I hope it is. Is this a lie? Oh shit, it might be a lie. Turns out it is. It's the pointer that leads to that. Pointer? Self.swapout is triggered. And the subtext for this is that... let's write a real example. So let's say that we have char pointer x comma const. Shit. What am I doing? Bro. I lost it. Bro. This is so dumb. I lost it. How do I center myself back? Bruh. It cannot be possible. Fuck, I lost it. It's so dumb. I cannot believe that I just... I just did. Okay. Well, fuck me then. Alright. Okay, we'll do it again. So, if we have char, pointer, x, comma, const, y, yeah, that would make sense. Okay. So the way that we would parse that is we would have our content array. So we add char to the content array. Char. We add pointer. And because it's a pointer, we create out of this array a new unit where SQL equals 0 because it's empty. And then we would start a new array where SQL would be equal to const. So we can do SQL equal... Fuck, I'm retarded. Wait a second. Shit, that wouldn't work. Wait a second. Do we swap out before or after? Shit. We swap out after. Oh, fuck. It doesn't work. Shit, I need the website that explains C code. No, there's a website that makes it very fucking simple. Not true AI, you dumb shit. Holy, it's all AI. I'll kill myself, it's okay. So if we have const int pointer x y, const also apply to y. Right? Hello? Fuck me then. There was a website that was so good. No AI, just... Just simple. Is this it? No. Oh my god, why are things complicated now? I'll kill myself. In the AI, of course. Why do I need to pollute? There's like tools that are retardedly simple for this. Okay, X is a... Okay! Thank you! Fucking hell. Okay, so const applies to int, so they are your unit. Okay. So all I need to do here... is to make a swap out on int. Okay. Okay, we're good. So I was right. Okay. Chill. Chillin'! Like this requires this, this requires this, this requires this. Those are not used alone. Pointer, char, and okay, cool. Chillin'. Okay. Can we take a look at the structure that is created? Just to see if it's a monster. Sorry. I misclicked. Okay. Main zone. Alright, so if we look at 32... Nope. 38? Nope. It was 32 and I'm just too dumb. Nope. 25 maybe? Yeah, okay, 25 is the example that we had earlier. So here, the struct is a thing. Alright. So type data works. And if we look at the underlying zones, with the children, and then the zone of the children. Alright, let's go look. Type data. So we should have struct NFS pointer. And then... Oh, there's no name to that. Okay, cool, cool, cool! We got it. We got it. Okay. Alright. Understanding evolved. Okay, I can't... I have faith, okay? I have faith. Fucking hell. I have no faith. So... Okay. Let's look at what we already have and let's copy over from here. Fuck, I'm overthinking this again. Let's just go through this and see what we did before. So, generate type unit. So we take a look if we have something in content, which content is a temporary thing. If so, we swap out, which will throw it inside of type data. After that, we have core type. So core type should be the first type. Should be the thing in the first slot of type data. Yeah, we need to redo this and offer better writing. Okay, fuck. Let's copy this because this is going to be the same thing. Generate. Generate output types. Okay. So this is correct. We need to swap out. So that's good. Now after that, what we need to do to be able to create our... The fuck am I doing? Bro! Okay. Clicking things randomly. Okay, so I need to stop thinking about this. Good. So what we need to do is essentially type data right now contains data about multiple of our types. If there's a comma into it, there's multiple types. So the way that we fix this is we are going to create the root type segment. Holy shit. Root type segment. Well, it should always be the first one. So I should be able to do this, this, this. Root type segment. Then we need, I guess, output types. Then we make a list out of those. And finally, I guess this should be done here. Root type segment. And then we can do temp type. Or just type constructor.
Water Runetist says.
Yep.
Tapping into the void again, I say.
I saw. Yes. Yapping. Type constructor should be this. Okay.
Anyways, IGTG.
Oh, alright. Have a great day. Alright. So here, checking the length of this would be a good idea. Because if it's just length 0, we can, like, skip everything. So we can do if self-type data Shit. If the len of that is equal 1, here we need to, I'll pass, but do something special, because no. Because nothing more than root type segment exists. Okay. I guess we can put return here instead. Okay. So now that we assume that we have more than one, so what we should do is we should loop inside of this. It should be a for loop. So for type segment in this, but we start at 1. Like this. Alright, so here we need to have a detection. So... no, I don't think we do. Okay, so first we would append this. No, I'm retarded. Oh, that would be cool. Okay, so right now our thing is kind of it's kind of encrypted. So a type segment. Def type segment extractor. All right, we're gonna make this simple. So here type segment. Okay. So here what we want to return is a list, okay? So here we do result equals a list. Then we look at type segment. We start with the flag at the start. So here I think that for the flags, fuck, we had a thing for this.
COMMAnder says, code.
Indeed, code. SQL, yes, that's what I want. Output AST, okay. So yeah, that's what I needed. Okay, cool. So I'm so smart.
Good looking code too.
Yeah, I'm changing my my ways of doing things. I'm getting better at it. Okay. So technically, whoops, wrong place. Okay. So we should look at this and we should start with a list. Then we need to extend with the result of type segment. Oh, we need an if here. So if type segment position 1 is equal to 0, is not equal to 0. So I guess if. Cool. So if, then we can do this. So this should output the const volatile inequalifier into result, and then we can do for, and we do item in result position 0. We need to add them to result, but here we'll need some kind of, we had some action somewhere over here. We need to do something if they're tuples. Holy shit. Oh man, but if they're tuples, they could be reference. Okay. That's why people use copious amount of types. Of class, I mean. But I don't, because I'm a Chad. I name things as God intended in C. Writing Python as if it's C. Based. Based! Okay. And it's not result, it's type segment. Okay, cool. Okay. Brain, brain, brain. I guess we can do if item I did most of this before. I should just fucking take a look at it. And it wasn't working before also, so I should not take a look at it. Wait, at this... Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Remove the possibilities. Yeep. Remove. It is impossible at this stage for it to be a tuple unless it is a struct. Because we don't allow reference yet. Remove this from my brain. Braining in progress. Okay. So for now, tuple means struct. Fuck, this doesn't help. Maybe I'm doing this prematurely. I think that's the issue. How did I do it before? So we have a temporary thing. If type block 1. Okay. Okay, so that's our thing. Yeah, I should probably not make a new thing and just leave it in. You're right. Thank you. Thank you, past self. Whoops, that's retarded, right? Okay. This. Put it in the type constructor. Okay, cool. So this is for that type segment 1. Okay. Cool. Okay. So we did that. Temp type. Why? We don't need to do that. That's retarded. For item in block 0. If instant str, kill yourself. Cool! Doesn't help. Man, I need to go to the toilet. Let me put something on screen. Oh yeah, I got the thing. I got the thing. I'll put something on screen, okay? I'll be back. Just give me a few minutes, okay? I want the Prime Minister.
Ended those remarks with the same point that I'm going to begin my
Okay, I'm
remarks
back.
today with.
I'll be back.
And I quote, at a time when much of the world is buffeted by crises, Canada's history, our institutions, and our traditions matter more than ever. And while these foundations are expressed in language, practiced in custom and convention, and enshrined in law, they can also take physical form. They can be made of timber and stone, stand as landmarks, as testaments in which we recognize ourselves. Dans un monde bouleversant, ces lieux nous donnent des repères. Ils nous recentrent et nous rappellent les valeurs qui nous unissent. Ils nous permettent de rester fidèles à ce que nous sommes pendant que le monde autour de nous évolue. 24 Sussex is nearly as old as our country. First built in 1868, it sits on a rise above the meeting of three rivers, the Ottawa, the Rideau, and the Gatineau. Home to 10 of Canada's prime ministers, as Mr. Lightbaum just said, from Louis Saint Laurent, Stephen Harper. For more than 75 years, this House has welcomed leaders from around the world, including Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, Sir Winston Churchill, President John F. Kennedy. 24 Sussex Drive is more than a residence. It's greater than a mere backdrop to history. It's a symbol of the public office of the head of our federal government and of the democratic traditions that office represents. And yet, it has not been cared for with the respect that it deserves. And after decades of deferred maintenance and neglect, this house sits empty. It's been uninhabitable for more than a decade. Now, for years, many have agreed that 24 Sussex should be saved, but it was left to language, and so the damage spread, and the repair costs climbed. And now it's in critical condition. So today, our government is acting to renew this building, restore this institution, preserve our history, protect our heritage and traditions for generations to come, because that continuity matters. A nation is more than the people who live in it today. It includes everyone who came before us and everyone who will come after. Our institutions are how we carry forward what we were given and how we pass that on, at least intact, ideally improved, to those who follow. 24 Sussex Drive is one of these institutions, and we will not let it crumble. We will set it right. Today, we're launching a national design and build competition to restore 24 Sussex Drive, to become, once again, a secure, accessible, and sustainable official residence and a working venue for Canada's future prime ministers. We will do this in a manner that reflects the very best of Canada. Et pour obtenir ce qu'il y a de mieux, il faut faire appel aux meilleurs talents. C'est exactement ce que nous allons faire. Le concours de conception-construction qui vise à rénover le 24 Sussex sera ouvert aux entreprises canadiennes pour que le savoir-faire, le talent et l'excellence du Canada soient au cœur même de ce projet. L'Institut Royal Architecture du Canada aidera à définir les du concours et réunira une jury indépendant composé de Canadiennes et de Canadiens d'exception, des chefs de file en architecture, en conservation du patrimoine, chefs de file en architecture, en conservation du patrimoine et en conception. Il sera présidé par Moshe Safdie, l'un des architectes les plus respectés au monde. Un grand merci à vous, monsieur. Celui qui a le Library Square à Vancouver, le Habitat 67, cette audacieuse prouesse architecturale réalisée à l'occasion de l'Expo 67 et plusieurs d'autres à travers le monde. We are calling for proposals that are ambitious, achievable, and cost-effective. The competition will be open to eligible Canadian firms, putting Canadian design excellence at the center of the project. As I said, the Royal Architectural Institute of Canada, drawing on its expertise supporting major architectural competitions, will provide advice on the competition framework, establish an independent jury of distinguished Canadian experts in architecture, heritage conservation, and design. Chaired by Moshe Safdie, one of the world's most celebrated and accomplished architects, the jury will provide the key input to make the proposals and make their recommendation. Sorry, to assess the proposals and to make their recommendation to Cabinet. The winning team will be responsible both for the design and the reconstruction of 24 Sussex, so they will need a credible, disciplined plan to see it through. A plan to bring the building to life on time, and to a standard worthy of the country that it serves. So we're turning to the country's most innovative architects, designers, and builders for solutions to find the most ambitious, exciting, and affordable solutions. The winning proposal will be announced by Canada Day next year. Afin de réduire encore plus le coût pour le gouvernement, la Fondation Rideau Hall mènera une campagne nationale de financement avec pour objectif de recueillir la totalité ou la majeure partie des fonds nécessaires à la réalisation de ce projet. Cette initiative offrira aux Canadiennes et aux Canadiens et aux organisations philanthropiques de partout au pays l'occasion de contribuer directement au renouveau de lieux emblématiques qui appartiennent à chacun d'entre nous. I would like to express
Thank you,
my
Prime Minister.
personal and deep gratitude to Prime Ministers Stephen Harper and Jean Chrétien for advocating for the renovation of 24 Sussex as the residence of the Prime Minister. I would also like to thank Prime Ministers Joe Clark, Kim Campbell, Paul Martin, and Justin Trudeau, who, together with Mila Mulrooney, have expressed their support for this renovation.
Based!
As with everything our government undertakes, it's not just about what we build, it's about how we build and why we build.
True.
24 Sussex will be built by Canadians for Canadians. Nos institutions ne restent pas fortes et vivantes par elles-mêmes.
Why is it lagging that much?
Génération doit
Is it me?
faire le choix
No? Okay.
et les relever, de réparer ce qui a été négligé.
Says. Have a nice coffee or tea. Smiley face.
Indeed, it's a coffee. It's a coffee. I'm more of the caffeine type in the morning. How you doing, brother? How you doing, Dimitri? Dimitri, sorry. I'm trying to pronounce it correctly, okay? I'm trying. A bit retarded, okay? I'm a bit retarded. Sorry if you had to wait. It's stomach pain.
Oh my god, the voice acting. Rue.
What do you mean, the voice acting?
Everywhere says.
Will there be a golden ballroom?
No. No, we are too good for that. Fuck, MBE. Well, let's be honest.
At least a blue pool.
Oh, you mean the TTS? Ah. No, it's an automating system, okay? It helps whenever I play things, especially. Don't have to look at the chat. Blue pools. It's not even
Yes.
blue.
In my opinion, it was better when you read it yourself.
That's fair. Normally, I would do a point of reading it, but I'm concentrating on other things. So, yep. But hey, I don't know. My stomach fucking hurt, and I went to take care of it, and now forgot everything about what I was doing. I just was listening to.
How are EU?
You know what? While we're chatting, let's chat for real, for real. All right, going great, going very great. Just passing by stomach pain because I'm eating like literal trash every day. But yeah, no, I'm doing great. The project is doing great as well. Like we're getting near the end with the parser. I don't know, MB, did you nice, my friend, good luck. True. Did you see the start of the stream, MB? If not, I can explain. I can probably read it way better now that I'm woken up. Yes, you saw it? Okay. Cool. So it's yeah, we've got a system. That part is not well explained, but yeah, it makes sense because it's easier to manage data that way. And right now we just need to do the part that injects things into the change set, which then can run under our system very easily. So, yeah. Yeah. All right. Where the fuck was I? I guess my problem is that I need to think about a bunch of shit, but in reality, I shouldn't have to think about it. Brain. Okay, let's write down what we can find. Right now, we are handling type segments. So inside of type segments, there's a couple of things. So the first thing, well, the second thing, but who gives a fuck? So inside of type segment 1, we have sequels, which are already, well, no, handled above. So we can forget about it. Now, inside of type segment 0, we have an array of that is containing Eric is now official variable namer, indeed. I'll put back the TTS if I'm to focus the fuck down. Okay, so we have an array containing either an ASTT code, which is the code given to like an int or a char or whatever, or
MBWare says.
Yeah,
With
that was a
type segment
clutch.
suggestion.
Or we have a string. So name of var. Or struct or shit, a tuple containing struct/enum and more. Okay. So we need to parse each possibilities here. So maybe I'm thinking about things back. Oh, and by the way, I read your comments, MB, all of them. Comments and suggestions and Discord message. So first, the reason why my mic was lower is because I have a setting on my DAC, on my audio thing, that essentially lowers the volume whenever I yell too high. The issue is that it stays lower. So that's why probably made a sound or like hit the mic and it lowered the sound. So that's why I had this issue. So now I set the sound at a specific place. If it's too loud, tell me. If it's not loud enough, tell me. But that's like the place it is.
I saw you change the setting at the start of the stream for that.
Yep. So yeah, if it's bad, if it's good, tell me. Anyway, so we need to take care of each situations here. So I guess they're all handled in their own little way. So we could start by, well, the most common thing that will happen will be AST. So I guess we can just test for that. Normally I'm testing in the other way, but we can probably do if type segment 1 and then shit, is it considered an int? Int enum. So I guess we can test for it being an int. Is instance is fuck. How would I test if something in it is an int? Test if thing is an int or int compatible object in Python. Is instance int enum. I guess I'm just lazy. I should do this. This fixes it. Do we have int enum here? Yes, we do. Okay. Okay. So this tests for the first thing. So if it is an int, we just have to add it onto. So we just have to do this and do append. Dot append. Boom. This. Okay. Now, if it is elif, so second thing, it could be the name of a variable. So if it is the name of a variable, so we would do is instance str, boom, boom. Then we would, I guess, shit, brain. Just add the string on it. Fuck it, or we'll make it simple. Well, no, we would need to. Oh, I'm retarded. This is one thing, but we can take a look at output types. So output types could be appended to contain type constructor or at least a tuple of type constructor. That's probably a brighter thing to do. So a tuple of type constructor with bruh, what am I doing? Why is this one? I need to think about what I'm doing. Type segment. Fuck. Sorry, my brain is dying right now. Okay. Okay. What is this supposed to be? So type segment should be an instance of this. Fuck. Let's keep it short. Okay. How do we do a downward arrow? You don't. You do this. True. Okay. Okay. So type segment is this. So when we look at this, we need to loop through this before doing all the dumb fucking shit that I'm doing. Okay. Cool. So let's loop through it. Okay, that will help. And then we can do for item in, and we would do type segment 0. Okay, this makes sense. Cool. Cool. All right. This. Ta-da! Okay. Then we... I guess we would type data 0, and then we could do bro, I'm being retarded right now. This is why this should be done somewhere else, right? So that we can trigger it on this easily through a function. So this was the idea here. Okay, cool. Got it. Got it, chief. Got it. Okay. So let's just think about what we would want to add to type constructor. Oh, but it doesn't work because sometime we would want to... It wouldn't work with names. This is why we just do all type data and we do if root segment oh yeah, I got it. So at the end of this we do if root segment is none, then we do root segment is equals to tuple of type constructor. Ta-da! Fixed. Okay. So now we have a thing. Okay. This will absolutely break when it comes to type defs. But who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? Okay. Okay. Lock in, lock in. I'm locking in, bro.
When it breaks, that means it's time for a new rewrite.
True!
Winking underscore face.
Output types. Okay, I'm not done here. So here, we need to do output types, and we also need to revert type constructor to its default. Here you go. So we revert type constructor to the default. We created a new output type. So then we can process the next name. Okay. Okay. Tuple. Tuple now. Okay. Okay. We have to keep in mind that we have zone handling to do somewhere. So that's something to keep in mind. Maybe we assume that everything that zone handling has to do will have to deal with tuples. Oh, that could be bright. Oh, I love the idea. Okay. Okay. So we do that. All right. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. So this should work. All right. So once we pass through all of this,
Let me get my sunglasses. You are too bright for the weather here.
based. It's gray on your side too. All right. So we don't really need that that part. Okay, cool.
Smiling underscore face underscore with underscore sunglasses.
Indeed. Indeed. Doing it. I'm doing it. Okay, let's remove this. So here, brain and throat, please survive. Okay. So now that we have output types and probably an empty type constructor or a type constructor that may have data. Ooh. How do I want to handle this? If there is no output type, we need to dump, we need to dump type constructor inside of output types. Because that means that the types just don't have names. So we can do if output types. Do we have empty? No. If len output type is equal to 0, we can essentially do this. No. Do this. Boop, 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 boop. So we do type constructor, and here we'll just do none. So we'll be able to test if this is none. All right. To get us the name of the variable. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So here we are guaranteed an output type. Yes. Cool. Okay. Guaranteed an output type. We have all our ASTs in a row. Now, from this point of view, we should already have fully generated zones. Right? Where the fuck do I use my zones? Oh, here. Okay. So zones should already be extracted. So we just have to access them this way. All right. So this will go through each of the zone. We'll check if the children have results. And if they do, it means that we have to do a zone merge. So the zone merge should be applied to every output type in order to create a new version of this with the reference. Yes. Yes. Okay. So let's go check zone merge. Okay. So we have different zones with associated types, which is the type that we are searching for. So we have zone and final type unit. So when we look at final type unit, those are all old wordings. I need to create a new version of this. Okay. Instead of zone merge, we need a new name. Zone. Dun, 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 dun.
My brain is ordering me to take a nap. I'll watch the VOD later. See you soon.
All good. See you soon. Take care, okay? Don't forget your meal. I guess apply zone would make sense. Okay. And here, we're not talking about final type units anymore.
Meal is safe in the microwave.
You're just gonna be sad eating your like slightly warm, slightly cold meal that has been like reheated 6 times, and you don't want to throw it away, but you're still just like miserable eating it. It happens to me too sometime. Okay, so I get it, but don't forget about it. Ah, all right. Take care. Okay, take care. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, okay. So here, let's think about this. Output types. We have the name of the thing. That is position 2 and position 1 and position 0 is the type constructor. So here we need to loop through for item, no, for, yeah, it's item, for item in output type for output type in output types for item in output type position 0, we should look, do we have a tuple? So that's probably the question. Oh shit, how will we edit this? Oh man. So output type is a list. So it's we can easily edit it. But the second thing is a tuple. So we cannot just do in-place assignments. I guess we could do the most disgusting map thing ever. Or like we have these disgusting fucking ifs somewhere. We have that somewhere. I believe. Where are my generators? Where are my disgusting generators? Get me in. Get me in. I'm not going to find any of them, am I? I ain't. Womp womp. Oh. I think I remember. We can... where is the... Not pointer getter. That looks... Okay, so we can do for that in that. And then normally we can also add like an if to the end of this. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Okay. Python generator if. Let's go. Let's go. Give me the disgusting one-liner. Nah, I don't want a fancy one. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay, we're tweaking this. Oh, it's going to be horrible. Okay, so for this. So in output type position 0. Oh shit, there's magical things that are invisible somewhere. Okay. For output type position 0, And we can call it item if, and here we can just do is instance I'm doing disgusting things right now. If item if item is a tuple, okay, so if it's a tuple, then we need to check if it maps onto this. But here, I need my... Where is my music? Alright. Okay. That's good. How do we do? How did it be do? If else. That's what I want. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm starting to love it. So we can do if instance item else. Okay, that's good. So item. So if it's a tuple, bro, we're getting disgusting. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe. Okay. So if it's not a tuple, we just need the item. If it is a tuple, we then need a new if. We need a new if. Okay. So we need another else here. If item and here we would do if item is item position 0 in associated type. Fuck. Shit, that's not the way to go. I'm retarded. Okay. Okay. I'm retarded. Give me a moment. I'm just assuming that most won't use it. And that's a dumb assumption. Make it simple! For item in output type position 0, we can temp output type an array if if is instance item a tuple, then mavic else we append with the item. Cool. Okay. We need a second check. If item position 0 is equal no in associated types, we do something else, we do the same fucking thing. Okay. If item 0 in associated types, that's where we do magic zone thing. Okay. Okay. I'm so dumb. We don't need to do this because as soon as we have that, we can just apply the zone at the end. Yep, that's truly it. Zone. Wait. No, it's not true, because we create two things. Fuck. Brain. The job of the code that we're doing here is to place reference within our code. So yes, we are doing the right thing here. Because we need to... We don't need to do any... Okay. What the fuck did I delete? Yes. That's okay. Cool. So here, instead of doing any of those, I should be able to just do the reference thingy. But wait, what if we have multiple things? Technically, we should be able to confirm with the name. Oh yes, we need that. Okay. You know what? I'll just write things down and we'll play chess a bit. Add confirm with name of the struct slash whatever. Alright, that's cool. Let's play chess. I want to play chess! And after that, I'll fuck off. I want to eat. Oh, right. Cool. I can play that game too. Okay. So if I put myself there, I'm kind of screwed. Okay, cool. Is he trying to, like, bait me so that I don't, like, notice that I'm retarded? Oh shit, he fucked me with this. I'll be able to check him. I'm okay with this. I can be aggressive a bit. Cool, 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 cool. I'm aiming to be able to fork his ass. Bro, I could put myself there. That would be so cancerous. Alright. There's a lot of ways to blunder this real hard. Okay. That's kind of a bad choice of positioning there. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh no. Don't hurt me. Ooh. Okay. Like, those two are protected. I don't need to give a fuck. Alright, that's to attack this one. So I can probably just shove myself here. I sure can. No blunder in my department. I can put myself here and I insta-win. So he needs to aggress. And if I put myself here, he's fucked. I cooked him. No blunder here. I need to draw on my screen. I'm pre-moving, okay? That's what I am. Pre-moving this, then this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm a pre-moving god. Boom, boom. Eat me. Okay. Boom! Oh shit, he can just go forward and fuck me up. Let's hope that he is retarded. Ah! How can I force some movement? I guess I can do this. And then I'll be fucked as well, because he'll just back up there. Then I guess I could go there. Just force an overall bad situation. Or... Nope. We're not fishing. We're not cooking. You do not pass go. You lost $57. Okay. Bruh. I'll lose my fucking mind if he pushes this one. Alright, we're good. He's gonna move his queen. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Get the fuck off my lawn. Okay. Is the strat going there? We have a pamphlet of retarded move right now. Oh, no. No. Alright, alright, alright. I'll back the fuck down. I got it. Eat me, bitch. Eat me. Eat me. Eat me. Okay. Oh, wait, oh, wait, oh, wait. Oh, wait, oh, wait, oh, wait. We got this locked. We don't. This is so bad. Ah! And if he eats me, I need to eat him. So he'll be able to fuck off. Oh, no. So I need to back down again. Oh, no. Ouch. I need to schmoove my... Okay, so he's gonna go forward and then try to eat me, I guess. But I'll be able to eat, and it doesn't matter because I'll move! So it will be 1 for 1. Okay. Alright, we need to go for the retarded moves. Those need to work. Get me the fucking... By the order of Retardion. Ascend to Queen eats on B4. Become 1. Okay. I tried very hard to ascend to Down syndrome chess. but it failed. Okay. If I put myself here, I'm a pain in the ass, right? He's going to eat me. Ooh, opportunities. Nope, not opportunities. Because he's going to be able to do this. But I'll be able to go there. But no, I won't be. I won't be. I should have... I should have done this. Ooh. Okay. What is he gonna do? Electric Boogaloo. Top 10 anime fail in history. Come on. Come on, take the bait. No matter what the fuck you use, it's a bad trade. And if you don't, I'll find your house and kill your entire genetic lineage. Right now. Right now. Is this supposed to be a threat? it works. Ah, okay. I guess I can do this. And I'll then be able to move the bishop, the rook. And it prevents some seriously retarded plays. Oh. Do we force it? If I do this, he's fucked, right? He has to move the queen. But I also have to defend this style, no matter what. Or else he'll just ram me. Oh. Oh well. I got these two. Oh no. Nothing can attack this. I can put myself here. Oh, I have nothing to attack this. Bruh. Oh, bro. Oh, fuck it. Oh, that's a blunder. I'm a retard. I think I'll just force trades. Can go there, I'll put myself here, and I'll find a fucking way. Oh my fuck. Wait, that's giga retarded. Wait, why is he doing this? We have the Chief Retarded Officer. If he goes here, I can go there. I own the dark squares. Oh, you can do that as well. But I can also do that. Have you thought about that? Bitch. Nothing was achieved. Do I just step to the side and aggro? Alright, fuck you. You're not fun.
Toadzage106 says,
こんにちは。
Ah! It translated! How can I not do this? I can. Konnichiwa, Toad. How's it going? I'ma kill your entire lineage. Not you. Fuck you. I'm winning.
Let's test URTTS.
I'm insta-win if he doesn't defend this. Ah! Ah! Boom! What are you gonna do, bitch? Damn! GG! I ain't rematching against you. You can test it all you want. Oh shit, my sound is too loud. I forgot about it. Sorry, game is on. I cannot change it for now. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Pure reactions and skills. Oh! Oh!
Good, what about you? Seems like you are having fun.
Yes. I'm having fun. Shit. Shit! Bro! There's no consent. No consent present. Come. He's winning so hard. I'm getting roasted. He's going to go there. He's gonna go there. Fuck you. And everything you stand for. Not you, Toad. Alright. Alright, eat it. Eat it. Blunder. Blunder of the week. Blunder. Blunder. No blunder this week. He's gonna go back down. Look at this. Look at his ass. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Ah. Why? Alright. How about this, bitch? Decisive positioning there? Fuck you. We're gonna trade. I'm gonna lose! Bro. No. No. I deserve to die. Fuck him. You cannot eat it anyway. Fuck you. I'm playing a bad fucking game. What is better, getting the fuck out or... I guess so. It's not as if he can diagonally eat me. I guess a good move would be doing this, no? Oh no, it would trap if I do this. Ooh. Why? Ah, that's why. Ah, no! Whoops, that's a blunder. He can go there. Oh man, it's clear that he's superior to me. I'm getting destroyed. I'm getting destroyed. No blunder here. Bro. Move! That wasn't the type of move I was thinking about. Thank you! Oh, I lost. Is he smart enough to eat it? Ooh. Okay, okay. Wait, this is smart. Fuck. I'm fucked. Alright. 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 We're playing a new game, okay? We're playing a new game! My start was an absolute blunderfest, okay? This must be a bad move, because each time I do it, people are like, what the fuck? Why is he doing this? Alright, I get it, but... What are we doing here? Okay. I don't get why he did this. Like, if we want to play them game and win them prizes, I guess we can start doing this. It's so dumb. Oh! Oh man, if I do this... No, he will eat with the pawn. Shit. Or I can do this. Oh, that could be a move. Oh, but he'll eat with the bishop. Oh no, because it would kill him. I'm in. I'm in! He cannot put his... Haha, he saw it! Here you go, bitch. Ready to dance? I'm ready to dance. Oh. Oh. Boom. My next move is there if he moves here. That works. Oh, that would be cool. Do it, do it, do it. He's so lower elo than me. I'm trying to trap him with the dumbest moves. Okay, okay. So he's going to eat something? Or... Oh, he's going to force me to do something. Okay, cool. But I can stop him by doing this. Nope. No, 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 no. Don't do this. Yep, that's the womp womp of the day. So I can...
What's your ELO BTW?
1000. I'm bad at this. Where are we going with this? I think my best bet will be this. He can heat it, but those two are protected as long as they don't have to move. I can do this. Oh! Okay.
Far better than me, 330.
Oh no. Oh no, that's not good. I don't know what to say. Oh shit. I think that's the way. I think that's the way. I'm going to absolutely violate him. Oh, okay. But you cannot eat it with this one. You can eat it with this one. But I can also not engage. Do I do that? Oh yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. I do not consent. Cool. Let's protect this one. Okay. Yes, that would be a good old blunder. If only I could get one in there. He's clearly going for this. So, should I just backtrack or I push? Yeah, I'm just winning with this one. He's going to eat. I could maybe do this. This. Yeah, this would be good. It would be a launching pad into this. Oh, fuck. Wasn't expecting this. I need to force some movement around here, okay? I cooked myself, I think. Oh, man.
Then teach me some chess maple sama.
How to blunder. Step 1. Play. Okay. I don't fucking care. Cool. Oh no. Why?
What about how not to?
True. That's pretty much what I'm doing. So right now I have no strategy, okay? I'm just vibing it. I think I'm going... No, that would be a blunder, because you can eat this. Okay. He's trying to get me to eat it. But... How about I don't? Ah! Okay. The only way for me out is to... like, dance with this and, like, do some dumb shit. I guess what I could do is I could send that there, so it would attack this with the defense. So that would be a reasonable thing to do. He saw it. The second thing that I can do... Oh shit, if I do that, he'll be able to attack me. So I guess... There's no vector, huh? Ah! That was a fucking misclick. Bro. Fuck my life. Fair. That was a misclick. Ah. Yeah, I'm cooked. That's triggering, okay? That's triggering. I'm starting a new one, right? The fuck now? Whoops, started on the wrong side. But, okay. Doesn't seem to change much. Okay. No. Why? Are you really going to, like, cuck yourself in the corner? What's the point? Ah! I can just push this. And then put that there. Yeah, why not? Why not? I can absolutely ram him with this.
Probably he liked it.
Yes! He liked it a lot. I don't need consent. I am consent. Oh! He might be.
Being queued in corner.
Yes. Alright, how do we want to do this? In a... in an okay way. Fuck it, we're doing it that way. We're doing it that way! Oh boy, oh boy! Get me in, get me in! thinks he's alone. He thinks he is alone. Remember, Didi Zanganya? You have no friends. You are alone. Alright, that's fair. I can insta-win by doing this. As long as he cannot eat me. Because I can just... And I'll be defended by this. Ooh. Not kind. Not kind. Let's make sure that the queen moves out. Let's make sure of it. So what I can do is I can push the queen or push this. Threaten. Okay. So he's going to eat me. I don't get it. I don't care. Because it allows for the same thing. I guess you could press me? Ooh. But I can press you as well. What am I losing by doing this? And like the way he could press me is with this, but then I would eat one, he could send another, I would eat the other, then he could send the queen. I would still be up in material. Can he fuck me with this queen? No. Can he do anything with that? Maybe. He could add into the engagement. Can he do something with this? Boom. 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 Not really. Not without being exposed to me doing this. Door stuck. Okay. His door is stuck. It is the most stuck of doors. I guess I could see in the future that if he does this or this and somehow survives, he could go there. So I could put my pawn there. Okay. Okay. I can threaten the queen to force some kind of trade here. Well, I guess I can push even more. So I could do this, then he would eat me. Alright, I don't get it. I can let him run there. Oh, I know. I can do this. This, because he won't be able to eat me because his king is spinned. And then I could attack here. Oh. Oh. Or if he wants, he can also do this to fuck up my attack. I think I'll just run down the timer and win. Unless he starts trading. Wait, if he trades... Am I better off? Ooh, I would be better off not eating with the queen, but eating with the knight. Because then I'll be able to do this. And then he's in a world of hurt. Because I can eat this. So it'll have to eat. Or does he? Boom, spadabadom, spom pom. Trom pom, spadabadom, spadabadom. Doo-doom, pom. Well, technically, I cannot eat shit by doing this. Okay. Do I trade, or... Nah. Make the first move, bitch. If he wants to start eating, I'm okay with that. I'll just start doing the moves. Okay. So my knight is kind of pinned to defend this. Oh. What are we trying to do? We're trying to go there? Alright, I don't think it helps. Okay. Well, now I have no attack here. So I can do this. I can also go there. And we would be kind of forced to go here, I guess. I don't know. Fuck, let's play for time. If he goes here, it's kind of fucking me over. Okay, cool. Because no one is pinned. Shit, that was a blunder. Play for time. If this moves, can it attack my queen? No. If this moves, probably. Yes. Okay. But I can eat. Okay, so I can pre-move this. Alright. Okay. Can I fuck this over? That would be the move. Okay. Could go there. I can do this and this. Ah, good one! Okay. When it's going to be 12, I'll fuck out, okay? I need to get out after, but... I need to farm. Boom. Boom, boom. That was a blunder. Bro. Bro, another blunder! Eat my pawns! He's like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Oh no! Ah, okay. Okay, he is stronger than me. He is way stronger than me. I'm so dead. Pinned! Eat. Eat. Alright, fuck you. Okay. Fuck. This is a blunderfest. This is the worst game I've done so far, okay? Worst game of my life. I have achieved nothing. I can still win this. I cannot. This is kind of free. True. I like the idea. But trading is, like, very advantageous for him. I guess I could push him out of position if I want, by pushing that. Then he could go there. Then I could eat him. Then I can fucking die. Wait. Ah. Okay. 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 Not bad. I should just resign at this point. Ah. Forgot about this? Bitch. We're back, you know. Oh no. What is this? I don't know this technique. Ooh! Okay. Anything else would be very bad. Oh shit, I'm retarded. I could have won. If I would have left this here and go there. What is he doing? He won't have time. He won't have time. He's going to move the rook. I'll do this. I fucking hate my life. Bro, I ain't. I'm kind of fucked. If he's smart, he'll eat. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. If there's a way... There is a way! There ain't. Cool. I'm retarded. Fuck it. Alright, GG. New opponent! Let's not blunder this at the start, okay? Let's not do this. We only pre-move when we know we're winning. Alright, enough free move. He's going to trade. No! Where are you going with this? There. There. Oh, I'm pinned. Okay, got it. Alright, that was a nice move. Gotta admit. Pretty good move. He's going to trade him. No? Okay. I need to start forcing some shit. I can go aggro a little bit there. If he's smart, he's going to deploy this. Or do this, that works as well. Alright. Okay. So a good answer would be this, I guess? This? Well, moving it out of the way would be the good answer, but I don't know. Why does he sacrifice his rook? Yes, rook. I don't get what they're going for. Probably moving, doing that, and then fucking me over. But here, like, the next best move is this. Followed by this. Then I can probably push this. Okay. Fuck, my positioning is garbage. So if I do this, I auto-lost this. Because they're going to push it. But I guess I can eat him. Or not. Fuck, we need to find something. I ain't playing this game, retard. Okay. Go ahead. Not my brightest move. I guess it depends what I want to move. Oh, and I'm in the way. Fuck me. Bro. I'm fucked. He's going to do this just to fucking trigger me. Not even. Okay. What a garbage positioning. Of course you are. Do I push this so that he has to eat? And then push him back? Yeah, that's the move. That's the move! Boom. Fuck! I'm being cucked. I already lost, I just don't know it yet. Run! Alright. Another one, another one. We're having fun. Lowering my elo one game at a time. Ooh. I like this guy. You know what? I made filled. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Or I could just push this. And he would be kind of cooked now. Okay. What am I holding up here? I could just do this. Eat this. No, it would be a losing way of going about things. Look, we need to reinforce this, that's for sure. Because he could have just attacked and won over this position. Okay. So right now this is not defended anymore. Can we agree on this? What? Why? Is this such a good vector of attack? So I can either force them to move and end up with a bishop, or... No, they're fucked. I don't get it. I feel like they're going for a 4D chess thing that doesn't exist. Maybe I can eat this. Pray that they go there. No, doesn't help. Well, well. If I eat this... No, they have this. I need to press them somewhere, okay? I need to do something like this, or do something like this. Well... I say well a lot. I could go there. And then I would have some protection for this. So me, like... absolutely demolishing them would be enshrined. But then they could push. Doesn't matter, I could just push back and attack. Okay. So I think this is my winning position. Yes, Clutchbox. You're gonna need a lot of thinking for this one. So let's look at their most likely counter. This, right? If they do this, if I eat them, they eat me. They kind of stop this. I could still eat them there. I guess they could rook. They could do the thing. I don't know the name. I guess. The rook would end up here, so I would still be able to eat it. So it's not as good as it could be. But if they go there, and I don't address... Let's say I don't address this right away. What can they do? They can go there. Is this useful? Don't think it is. Oh, they could go there next. Well, no, it's not useful. Or there, not useful. There, not useful. Okay, so I don't have to be worried if they put their pieces there. I think I'll just push the pressure. He's really thinking. Is he just fucking left? All right. Cool. All right. Okay, I know I should go, but one last one. Okay, one last one. Hope it's fast. Fair enough, fair enough. Okay. Rip. Alright, I'll have to wait for some movement there. Cool. What a trade! You cannot move this, or else I'll start to harass. I'm a retard. I fucked it up. I fucked it up again. Bro! He can win just by doing this. Okay. Alright. Alright. We're doing a bullet. Okay. I need all the oxygen for this one. Okay. Oh, you're stressed now. I fucked it. What? I misclicked. How is this not a loss? Oh, okay. I'll win this based purely on time. You cannot eat it, bitch. Ah. Yeah, I'm playing way lower levels here. Okay, I need to get the fuck out. Alright? Bye-bye. I love you all, okay? I love you all. Bye-bye. I'll see you another day, okay? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.